I told you that just 2 minutes a day could change how your body looks, feels, and performs? No gym. No equipment. No excuses. That's the power of the plank, a simple, brutally effective movement that trains not just your body but your mind. And if you've ever held a proper plank for more than 30 seconds, you already know it burns. But that burn, that's where the magic begins. Let's break it down. The plank is a full-body isometric exercise. Sure, it targets your core, the rectus abdominis, obliques, and deep stabilizers like the transversus abdominis. But it doesn't stop there. Your shoulders, chest, glutes, and even your quads all have to work together to keep your body locked in a straight, stable line. It's your entire kinetic chain firing at once. Now, here's what really happens when you commit to just 2 minutes a day. After a few sessions, you'll start noticing something subtle but powerful. Your posture improves. You'll stand taller, sit with more control, and feel less pressure in your lower back. That's because planks strengthen the small stabilizer muscles that protect your spine and keep your body balanced through every movement you make. By week 2, things begin to shift. That same plank that once felt impossible, it starts to feel smoother. Your form tightens up, your breathing slows down, and you can actually feel your core engage in layers, front, side, and deep within. This is where control replaces struggle. By the 3rd week, you'll start to notice something exciting. Everything else you do feels easier. Push-ups feel stronger, squats feel steadier, and your balance during everyday movements improves. Why? Because your core is your foundation, and when your foundation gets stronger, every other exercise becomes more powerful and efficient. Now, let's clear up a common myth. Planks alone won't melt belly fat or magically reveal your abs. Visible abs come from your kitchen nutrition, calorie balance, and consistency. But planks, they build the structure beneath. They're the reason your abs look tighter once the fat starts to come off. They make your body move better, recover faster, and resist injury. And here's something most people overlook: the mental edge. Holding a plank for 2 minutes trains more than muscles, it trains discipline. It teaches you how to stay calm when everything in your body screams, quit. You build focus, patience, and resilience. That quiet strength you feel in those last 20 seconds, that's the same mindset that helps you show up for yourself in every other part of life. So, would I recommend doing a 2-minute plank every day? Absolutely. It's one of the simplest, smartest investments you can make in your body and your mindset. If you can't hold 2 minutes yet, don't worry, start with 30 seconds. Then build to 45, 60, and finally 120. Your strength doesn't come from perfection, it comes from consistency. Remember, it's not about being the strongest in the room. It's about being stronger than you were yesterday. So here's my challenge to you. Drop down right now, hold your plank, and breathe through the burn. You're not just building abs, you're building character, 1 second at a time. Stay consistent, stay confident, and I promise you'll be amazed at what 2 minutes a day can do.